Hey everybody, and welcome. Today we are here in Nashville, Tennessee. We're getting ready to take you guys along with us to
Goo Goo Cluster.
And Goo Goo is home of America's first combination candy bar. All other candy bars were singular ingredient candy bars until Goo Goo started creating theirs in a copper kettle with other ingredients. Those other ingredients include caramel, marshmallow nougat, and peanuts. And back in the 1940s, this was the actual mold press that they used to pad out and mold those Goo Goo clusters. And if you're wondering how the word Goo Goo came to be for this candy bar, one of the co-founders of Goo Goo named Hal Campbell came up with the name when he was riding on a train car. And when he was riding on that train car, he didn't have a name for the candy bar at that time and had asked other patrons on the train car to come up with names. Of course, everybody had their own variation of what they thought it should be called, but none of them were good. And at that point, Hal was talking about his newborn baby and how the newborn baby's first words were Goo Goo. And the lady that he was speaking to on the train said, "Hey, that's it. That's your name. It's Goo Goo." And just like that, the rest is history. And they were aptly named Goo Goo clusters at that point. Here is the original, which has a marshmallow nougat and the peanuts as well as a chocolate. And here is the pecan in place of the peanut. If marshmallow nougat is not your thing, they do have the peanut butter variety here as well. For today, we're going to design a Goo Goo bar. Gentry and Henry are going to work together here to design their own Goo Goo bar. And we are going to start here with choosing their chocolate shell. Would you guys like milk chocolate or dark chocolate?
Dark chocolate.
And now that they've chosen dark chocolate, they're going to choose their sweet fillings between bourbon caramel, brown sugar nougat, chocolate hazelnut filling, vanilla nougat, salted caramel, or peanut butter filling. They're going for peanut butter filling. Hit that again. Hit that double up on that peanut butter. There you go. Look at that. Here are the add-ins. They can get pecans, potato chips, toffee pieces, white chocolate chips, pretzels, or sprinkles. What's it going to be, boys?
Potato chips?
All right, they're going for some potato chips. And it actually just continues on. Check this out. Cocoa Pebbles, Fruity Pebbles, Trix, mini marshmallows, peanuts, or Oreo pieces. They also have an option between almonds, mini chocolate chips, banana chips, coconut flakes, dark chocolate, crispy pearls, and golden grams. And the boys have just added mini marshmallows to their Goo Goo. Here's what we have so far. The boys have chosen potato chips, mini marshmallows, mini chocolate chips, peanut butter filling, more peanut butter filling, and dark chocolate. And on top of your Goo Goo cluster, you can add on sea salt, Pop Rocks, wow, rainbow sprinkles, and dark chocolate crispy pearls. And the boys chose some Pop Rocks. All right, so right now the average wait time is 10 minutes. It did come out to $17 and some change. We did not receive a receipt yet, but that is the cost to customize your own. And since it's a hot day and it's gonna melt quickly, we're gonna eat it here and the boys are gonna share it. Here is a look at the back kitchen and some of the cooking in action right now. Check out the lights. Even the lights have chocolate oozing over the lights above. That's so cool. Right in here they have a chocolate Goo Goo candy bar class that's in session. If you're interested in making your own in one of these classes, they do have classes on Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays, and Mondays at 11:30, 1, and 2:30, and you can reserve your spot by going to this link to the QR code right here. See all of the toppings that they have for the Goo Goo cluster. There's some of that peanut butter, there's the pretzels, the banana chips. Down here, coconut flakes, peanuts, pecans. And right there's that ooey gooey chocolate. Each month, Goo Goo Cluster features a local restaurant here in Nashville to feature a specialized Goo Goo Cluster, and this month is the Elliston Soda Shop. We have actually filmed a video here at the Elliston Soda Shop in Nashville. We'll place a link in the description below if you're interested in seeing more from the Elliston Soda Shop. So all throughout this wall, there are little grids that you can flip. When you flip them over, it's trivia. So for example, right here, what is special about the Goo Goo Clusters at the Tennessee State Fair? Flip it over, they're deep fried. We may have to try that at the fair this year, deep fried Goo Goo Clusters. So a fun little fact, Dolly Parton was asked for Goo Goo to be shipped to her and her fellow castmates while on the set of the movie Rhinestone. She introduced Nashville's candy to her cast, including Sylvester Stallone. And we are going to interrupt this video temporarily because it is now giveaway time. Approximately 1.5 weeks ago on the Tootie Dow Joke video, we stated in the middle of the video that if you entered the statement, "Send me a Goo Goo Cluster," you would be entered for a possibility to win a Goo Goo Cluster when we posted the Goo Goo Cluster video, and that day has come. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the link from the Tootie Dow Joe video, and we're going to go over here to this random comment picker. We're going to enter, here we go. We're going to enter the URL right here, and we're going to enter a quick math problem, just so the website knows we are a human trying to do this random raffle and winner. And the first winner will be for an original Goo Goo Cluster. So we're going to go ahead and start that right here. And there is a little bit of a lag going on right now, but here we go. Again, this is for an original, and as long as they typed in "Send me a Goo Goo Cluster," they will win if their name is chosen. And in the description of this video, we have placed our email address, and the first winner is Philip Rupe. I hope I pronounced that correct. But Philip, in the description of this video, if you would like to reach out and send us an email with your address of where you would like this original Goo Goo Cluster to be sent, we would like to send that to you as soon as possible. And also, congratulations and thank you so much for watching. We're going to move on to the second one here. And the second one will be for a peanut butter Goo Goo Cluster. So here we go with the second one. And it's going to make sure that it gets all the comments in there. We're going to hit start. And the second Goo Goo Cluster will go to... It's still gone here. We need a drum roll. The anticipation is too much. Congratulations to Heath and... Oh, wait, it's still going. Here we go. Congratulations to Boogie Nights. Boogie Nights said, "Send me a Goo Goo Cluster. Love your content." Thank you so much, Boogie Nights. And congratulations on winning a peanut butter, I should say, Goo Goo Cluster. Congratulations. And last but not least, we have a pecan that we are going to send out here. And so this one is for a pecan. And it's grabbing all the comments here, making sure that we have the replies turned off. We do. Okay, we're going to hit start. And here we go. So this is the last Goo Goo Cluster. And if your name is chosen and you typed in "Send me a Goo Goo Cluster," you will win this third Goo Goo Cluster here. Congratulations to Charlotte Allen. Charlotte, if you would like to reach out to us with the email address that's in the description, we will mail out your Goo Goo Cluster. Congratulations to you, and we would like to thank everybody for entering and for watching, and we're going to get back to the video here. We hope that everyone has a blessed day, and again, thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you enjoy the rest of the video. In addition to Goo Goo Clusters, they also have bonbons that are available. And I didn't hear anybody say anything, but right there, Gentry and Henry's is up. There it is, custom made at the Goo Goo Chocolate Company in Nashville on July 1st. All right, here's a first look at their customized Goo Goo Cluster. There it is. All right, there is the inside of their ooey gooey Goo Goo Cluster with all the ingredients that they requested. All right, Henry, what do you think about the Goo Goo Cluster?
It was good, but it didn't have too much flavor, but it was good.
It doesn't have too much flavor, or it does?
It just has a little kick to it.
You're talking about spice, right? But is it pretty tasty and sweet? And Gentry, what do you think about it?
That is outstanding.
Outstanding. What do you taste the most when you bite in?
The Reese's.
Okay, so the peanut butter.
Yeah.
What about the Pop Rocks?
Not very much.
Gentry and Henry have a good recipe. All right, Brent, you gonna dig in?
All right, I see some of those Pop Rocks up on top there. And then beyond the Pop Rocks, they've got their chocolate chips. They have, what is this? A peanut butter. And then, of course, they also requested for some potato chips. You can see a few chips right there on top. And then right here is the marshmallow. So here we go.
So, Brent, what did you think?
I will say that was excellent. If that was an actual candy bar by itself, I would buy that. Good job, boys. Very good job. It's got the chewiness from the chocolate, the peanut butter, and the marshmallow. And also it had that nice crunch from the Pop Rocks, the potato chips, and a little bit of a crunch from the chocolate chips. That was excellent. Here's another fun fact for TV fans. Which 2016 TV show featured Goo Goo Clusters in a grocery store? Stranger Things. That was Goo Goo Cluster. Henry, what'd you think about making your own candy bar at Goo Goo Cluster?
It was good. I don't know what it said on it, but it said a factory one, but I got an 8.
All right. And what'd you think about the ingredients that you and Gentry picked out? Like the potato chip, the marshmallows, and all that good stuff.
Yeah, you like mine, but it's still, mine's kind of different.
But it was delicious?
Yeah.
All right. And Gentry, what did you think?
I would give it a 10 out of 10. Excellent place, but it's a little bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it if you're in the area.
And Jennifer.
I thought it was really cool. I thought it was really neat how you could see each layer that, you know, you're building it each time and kind of what it'll look like. And the ingredients were really fresh, I thought, too. And the boys, y'all made a very good recipe.
And I will say, I agree with everything that everybody said. The recipe was really good. The Goo Goo Clusters were really good. And, you know, the price was a little expensive. It is an experience and a dessert. I understand that. But I'm trying to make this comparable to, like, if you got a dessert at a restaurant, which is in the $8 to $10 range. After taxes, like I said, it was $17 and some change. A little bit pricey, in my opinion. But again, it's a one-of-a-kind experience that you probably can't do at too many other places, especially at the first place to ever have multi-ingredients, a combination candy bar, which that was the first in America right here in Nashville, Tennessee at Goo Goo Cluster Company. So I thought that was pretty cool. And guys, we thank you so much for joining us here at Goo Goo Cluster Company. And we sure to look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Every Day is Saturday.